Why you should master English in 2024. 1. The global role of English in 2024. Statistics. 1.5 billion people are learning English worldwide, but only 10% achieve fluency. Opportunities. Highlight how fluency can open doors to better careers, travel, and networking. 2024 trends. Explain the rise of AI tools and global communication platforms requiring English proficiency. 2. Challenges every learner faces: lack of time, motivation, and resources, fear of making mistakes and being judged, difficulty maintaining consistency. 3. The roadmap you'll discover in this video. 7-step process covering vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, listening, speaking, writing, and integration into daily life. 3. The roadmap you'll discover in this video. 7-step process covering vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, listening, speaking, writing, and integration into daily life. Stories from real learners who turn struggles into success. Practical strategies for every learner, from beginner to advanced. Chapter 1. Mastering vocabulary. The foundation of fluency. 1. Learning words in context. Story. Meet Emma, a learner who struggled with memorizing isolated words but transformed her vocabulary by reading short stories and noting phrases. Steps to implement. Take an article or short story. Highlight unknown words and look up their meanings. Create sentences using these words. Example exercise. Sentence. The sky was filled with ominous clouds before the storm. New sentence. The teacher's ominous tone made the students nervous. 2. Using spaced repetition tools. Tools like Anki and Quizlet. Build personalized flashcards and review them daily. Tips for success. Group words into categories, for example, emotions, travel, work. Include pictures and example sentences for better retention. 3. Daily vocabulary expansion challenge. Discover 5 new words daily through podcasts, news, or books. Write a mini story using all 5 words to cement understanding. Example words: serene, intricate, eloquent, tedious, vibrant. Chapter 2. Grammar made easy. Speak without thinking about rules. 1. Learning grammar through stories. Story. Lucas, who aced grammar without studying rules, by writing daily reflections in English. Activity. Write a short diary entry about your day. Focus on using past tense and descriptive adjectives. 2. Practical grammar for conversations. Focus on common grammar structures like present continuous. I am learning English. Future tense. I will practice tomorrow. 3. Shadowing for grammar and fluency. Listen to a podcast or video. Pause after every sentence and repeat it aloud, mimicking tone and grammar structure. Gradually increase the speed to match the speaker. Chapter 4. Active listening. Hear and understand every word. 1. Breaking down pronunciation challenges. Learn the IPA International Phonetic Alphabet to understand English sounds. Work on commonly mispronounced sounds. TH. Think versus sink. Short versus long vowels. Ship versus sheep. 2. Interactive exercises. Record yourself reading a paragraph. Compare with the native speaker's recording and note differences. Repeat until you sound close to the native pronunciation. 3. Rhythm, stress, and the intonation. Examples. I didn't say he stole the money. Stress changes meaning. Practice common phrases like, how are you today? Focusing on natural rhythm. Chapter 4. Active listening. Hear and understand every word. 1. Listen with intent. Watch movies with subtitles in English, then without. Focus on identifying keywords and main ideas. 2. Dictation practice. Listen to short audio clips. Write down exactly what you hear. Compare your notes with the transcript and correct errors. 3. Interactive listening games. Predict the next line in a movie or series based on context. Chapter 5. Speaking confidently. Break the fear of mistakes. 1. Role-playing real-life scenarios. Practice ordering food, asking for directions, or giving presentations. Pair up with a language partner or use AI tools for real-time feedback. 2. Daily speaking practice. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Speak on any topic without pausing. Record and analyze your speech for grammar and pronunciation accuracy. Chapter 6. Writing skills. Express yourself clearly. 1. Daily journaling. Start with simple entries. Gradually increase complexity by adding descriptive details. 2. Creative writing for fun. Write short stories, poems, or social media captions. Share with friends or join online communities for feedback. 3. Proofreading tools. Learn to use Grammarly and Pratingay to refine your writing. Chapter 7. Immersing English into daily life. 1. Create an English-only environment. Change phone settings, social media, and even your shopping apps to English. 2. Engage with English media. Watch trending YouTubers or TikTok creators in English. Join online forums like Reddit or Quora to discuss topics of interest.
Subscribe to the channel and share this video if you found it valuable. Knowledge becomes more meaningful when it's shared.